Hello guys, after a long time we are taking the video. Okay, I'll show you what exactly the today training session. So, inapoi itlog, paria, kamote, kamote leaf,
Talbos ng
talbos na, okay, chili,
Ano ito pa nga okra.
okra, and I will show you one exact thing. See here, this is the main dish today, bagsang fish, bagsang. Bagsang, paria, dinengdeng, huh? Okay. Okay. It's hot.
Careful.
See here. Taste this. The main taste first one is paria. Ito paria taste. Napait. Like bitter. But nice. Very nice to taste here. Like the rainy season. See here. It's chili. Because the chili,
You tried the bagsang?
but I scared to eat this one.
Bone.
Very easy to cook.
Be careful. You put here the bone.
Bone.
How's that?
The taste is very nice. Nicely cooked. But I'm scared to eat.
You need to eat because it's big.
But
Don't
won't
worry.
too much.
Okay.
Okay, guys. You have to eat, and we will show you on another video. And thank you for watching our YouTube Two Hungry Travelers channel. And please subscribe, follow our Facebook page also. Two Hungry Travelers, Indian and Pinoy, and one more thing, Rosira. Okay, guys. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.